And guys, as you can see, just go to this icon, this, and click execute, and you will get your... Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox. Absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called apploop.com. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. Okay, go to your profile official of Roblox on browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, super easy. Let's get back to the R2. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select these 4 scripts. Okay, let me click continue, guys, and let's see the next step. So guys, I forgot to say this is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices and it's super safe. So if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel to support this channel. Okay, AP connected. Nice, just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher. When the app are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed these tasks and this task. I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and I'm just still waiting for this redirecting. So if you have this message, guys, you're on the right way. So let's wait together. Verification successful. Nice, guys, thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Let me open the game. Okay, and let's test, does it actually work? So let me play this Grow Garden. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, I have this panel, so I see this new panel. Okay, let me click here and let me click here. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. So let me show you, guys. All scripts are added successfully, so this is amazing. So let me click here. And guys, as you can see, just go to this icon, this, and click execute, and you will get your extra features. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.